To remove these front seats, 4 bolts, T50 Torx, really simple. I'm going to use an electric impact. If you have one of these, great. If not, you can use a socket wrench and a T50 Torx to get it out. You don't have this or the socket, or if you do have the socket and you want to make it quick and easy, you can use a pneumatic impact to get the bolts out. Again, T50 Torx up front, 18mm for the bolts in the rear. That's on these newer Jeeps. You may have to change it up the older they get so that you can have the right tools for the job so that you can get the seats cleared, get the carpet out. What we're gonna jump into now, we're gonna remove these front seats, remove the rear seats, and get the carpet out. Let's get to it. T50 Torx, get this out. Okay, so on these newer Jeeps, the rear seats, although they fold as a 60/40, they're actually connected as a unit. So when you unbolt them, you gotta lift one corner off of the stud that they have. I'm gonna go on that other side and lift it off the stud, and then they come out as one unit. You can take them apart in the Jeep, but you would have to unbolt them inside of the Jeep, which is a little difficult to do. So if you have an extra set of hands, get someone to help you once you get them lifted out of the way so that you can get the back seat out.